Adapting stories and jokes, adjusting complexity for your audience. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today, we're focusing on a very important skill: adjusting the level of complexity in language when retelling stories and jokes to different audiences. This will not only improve your storytelling but will also help you communicate more effectively in English. To start off, we need to understand our audience. Are they children, teenagers, adults? Are they English language beginners, intermediate learners, or fluent speakers? Identifying your audience will guide you in choosing the appropriate complexity and language to use. Remember, the goal is not to impress with big words, but to communicate effectively and enjoyably. If you're telling a story or joke to beginners, it's important to use simple language. Stick to the basic tenses, avoid idiomatic expressions, and use common words. For instance, instead of saying, "The cunning fox outwitted the boisterous crow," you could say, "The clever fox tricked the noisy crow." On the other hand, if your audience is more advanced, you can use more complex language and structures. Feel free to include idiomatic expressions, complex tenses, or advanced vocabulary. For example, you can use words like astonishing instead of amazing, or phrases like beat around the bush for indirect speaking. This challenges the listener and provides them an opportunity to learn new language concepts. When telling stories or jokes to children, it's crucial to use language they understand. Choose words and phrases that are familiar to them and maintain a fun and engaging tone. For example, instead of "the bear was persistent," you might say, "The bear didn't give up. He kept trying." For jokes, it's all about understanding what your audience finds funny. Simplify the joke for beginners, use sophisticated humor for advanced learners, and make it light and easy for children. Remember, the punchline is everything, so make sure it's clear and understandable for your audience. That's all for today, folks. Remember, it's all about understanding your audience and adjusting your language to ensure your story or joke is enjoyable for them. Keep practicing, and you'll become a master storyteller in no time. Hope this video was helpful, and see you in our next session.